Okay, Violet. Violet's first reading.
The Big Hit.
The Big Hit. Very good. What's this say?
Violet. The Tin Man has the ball.
Has
A ball. A bat.
A bat. Very good.
Jill has the mitt.
Jill has
A mitt.
very good.
Zach has a big ball.
Yes.
Will the Tin Man hit?
No, don't
No.
guess.
Will he hit the ball?
Yes.
The ball hits the mitt.
Perfect. Don't guess.
The Tin Man will not give up.
Perfect.
The Tin Man hits the ball.
Yay, Violet! Perfect job, dude. Can you believe it?